Hallo Schüler, hallo Schülerinnen, willkommen in der Grammatikstube. Ich bin Herr K. und das ist Stevie. Hallo Stevie.
Hallo.
Stevie, es gibt noch ein bisschen Kaffee hier. So, bitteschön.
Oh, nein, danke. Ich habe schon genug. Trinken Sie den Kaffee, Herr K.
Oh, danke.
So, Herr K.
Yeah.
I noticed that making a request or command in German is especially easy in the polite form, isn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, trinken Sie den Kaffee. So I just start with the Sie conjugation of the verb and follow with Sie. And that's the same for any formal command.
Das ist richtig. So let's look at an example or two here.
Springen. Springen Sie. Lachen. Lachen Sie.
Ha 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 ha.
Singen. Singen Sie.
Hoch soll er leben, hoch soll er leben.
Hören Sie auf.
Notice the last one, Stevie. When there is a separable prefix,
Like auf here.
yes, the separable prefix goes to the end. And notice too, there's something at the end of all of these punctuation-wise. Did you notice it?
The exclamation point?
All requests and commands end with an exclamation point in German.
Right, and it doesn't mean that people are yelling, does it? It just signifies a command or request.
Richtig.
And the polite imperative form can also be used if you're addressing one or more people.
Right, it can be used for the plural.
Springen. Springen Sie. Lachen. Lachen Sie.
Ha 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 ha.
Singen. Singen Sie.
Hoch soll er leben, hoch soll er leben.
Hören Sie auf. But for the familiar do form in the imperative, it's not quite so simple, but it's also not too hard.
Ja, gucken wir ein Beispiel an. The do form, familiar singular imperative. Trinken, trink. Nehmen, nimm die Tablette. Lesen, lies. So to form the do form imperative, you first have to know the regular do form of the verb, like
Du trinkst, du nimmst, du liest.
okay, and what we're going to do is take the do off and the ending on all of those. So there's the ending on all of them. We're going to take do and the ending off, and that gives us the do form imperative.
But unlike the formal Z form imperative, which can be used for singular or plural subjects, the do familiar imperative can only be used for a singular subject.
That's
Yeah.
right. Do is only singular, and for the plural familiar, we're going to need the pronoun ihr, which means you all.
Das ist aber leicht. The ir form imperative is really easy, and I know why.
Ja? Warum?
Well, it's the same as the regular ir form. You just drop the ir and add an exclamation point.
Das ist richtig. So let's look at an example here. The ihr form familiar singular imperative. We've got the same verbs, trinken, trinkt. Nehmen, nehmt die Tabletten. Lesen, lest. Okay, Stevie, you said that we need to have the ihr form first, and then we can figure the rest out. So let's read through these. The ihr form is?
Ihr trinkt, ihr nehmt, ihr lest.
Okay, and we can see the ending on all of those. And we take the, actually we don't take the ending off this time, we only take the ihr away to get the ihr imperative.
Right.
And there it is.
Also, Herr K., ich glaube, dass die Schüler bereit sind, die Aufgabe anzufangen.
Ja, ich glaube auch. Okay, Schüler, schreiben Sie Sätze. Here we have a Beispiel. Meine Versichertenkarte nehmen. We're going to have to put this into the imperative form for these two people, Frau im Empfang und Monika. Okay, which of these is going to be the polite form, do you think, Stevie?
Die Frau in Empfang.
Yeah. And to her, we would say, nehmen Sie meine Versichertenkarte bitte. It's always nice to add a little bitte onto a request, don't you think?
Yeah, it's more polite.
Yeah. And then Monika, we'll be polite to her too, but we won't use the polite form. We're going to use the familiar form.
Also, nimm meine Versichertenkarte bitte.
Mm-hmm.
So, Herr K,
Yeah.
how about instead of having them take the insurance card, we see if they can eat the insurance card?
Oh, okay. Gute Idee. So, meine Versichertenkarte essen. Frau im Empfang, essen Sie meine Versichertenkarte bitte. Und zu Monika sagen wir,
Iss meine Versichertenkarte bitte.
ja, gut. Okay, und hier sind die anderen Sätze. Es gibt zwei. Mir ein Pflaster geben und sich das Gesicht waschen. And on each of these, you've got to address Herr Dr. Eisenbart und Ralf. Now, for that last one, the sich is going to change. Not only is the verb going to change, but the sich is going to change. Any ideas on how that's going to work, Stevie, for Herr Dr. Eisenbach? Is the sich going to stay in there like it is?
Stays the same, yeah.
Yeah, but for Ralf, it's not going to be sich. Do you know what it's going to be there?
It'll change to dich.
Dich or dir, if we've got a direct object.
Oh, of course.
And there is one there, right? So,
Yeah, das Gesicht.
yeah, so we will have dir there. Okay, but you're right, it's going to be dich usually or dir. And the verb waschen is also a stem changing verb, so be careful, Schüler. Erledigt.